Hello. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use PsychAssist to write letters to clients, professionals, anyone you wish. So if you haven't used it before, you're going to want to go to, this is your home screen, of course. You'll want to go to My Clients, and we'll just choose a fictitious client, Ann Anxious. And this is her history. You see she's got a treatment plan, progress notes, but now we want to go to PsychAssist. And if you're familiar with chatbots, that's what we're looking at. But again, I want to emphasize before you start using it, go to the tutorial page because that's where you're going to find the prompts and where the most important thing in getting good results. So we'll go ahead and click the tutorial page. And as you can see, this tells you how to write the treatment plan, how to analyze worksheets, analyze data, handouts, and here's emails or letters. Now, we have some suggested prompts here for just one letter, but what we're doing is adding prompts for different letters. So you're going to want to click over here, click to find different prompts. And here we've started just to add a welcome letter, termination letter for clients for missed appointments. So we can go ahead, let's go ahead and try this one. And we'll just go ahead and copy, Control C, and then paste, Control V, and then write a letter to Anne, on the name, explain that this code will refer Anne to the policy. Looks like we're doing pretty good. And then go ahead and we'll generate the letter. So you just want to take that basic prompt and then obviously individualize it to the client, maybe put in a date of birth or other information that you want PsychAssist to know. Now it takes about, we're in about 20 seconds, and that should give us a response. And here we go. So again, you're going to want to fill in your information. Dear Anne, I hope this letter finds you well. Gives her alternatives. So this looks pretty good to me. But of course, you'll want to read it carefully. And if you're not happy with it, you can say, just give it a different prompt and say, add, different information or subtract different information. It'll do exactly as you ask. When you're ready, go ahead and click Edit and Save. And we're always going to want to name the document. So we're going to call this, letter of termination for Anne. And then I'll want to go, I'm not going to do it now, but I want to fill in this information. And that's pretty much it. And probably what you want to do is to go ahead and copy and paste this onto a Microsoft Word document or maybe into an email. But you can make the corrections here, or you can make them on your Word document. Either way, you're going to save it. And then as you can see, it's on your timeline, so you can go back and use it anytime. Now, again, there are many things you can do with PsychAssist, so hope you'll try them all out, and we're adding new ideas all the time. And if you have any questions, please let us know by writing customer service at betweensessions.com. This is Lawrence Shapiro, and I'll talk to you next week.